Congratulations, you've successfully completed Module 2 of the Expert Course Business Masterclass. This module has been all about the conceptualization phase of your course, laying the foundation that will shape your entire business. Let's quickly recap what we've achieved together. Defining your perfect course idea. We explored how to identify your strengths, your talents, your passions, and areas of expertise to zero in on the right course topic for you. Then, discovering your goldmine. You learned how to assess the market demand for your course idea, finding that sweet spot where your skills, passion, and audience needs align. Internal reflection. Through a series of introspective exercises, we brought together the 3 crucial elements: your talents, passions, and expertise, so that you have a clear starting point for your course. We introduced and applied the Subway framework, a powerful tool that helps you define the journey your students will take in your course, from their departure station to their alighting station. And we discussed your ideal customer persona and the ideal customer persona profile and the template that you can use to define yours. Those are just a few examples of topics that we covered in Module 2. By now, you should have a solid idea of your course topic, a clear understanding of your audience, and a working framework to guide your students through their learning journey with you. You've laid the groundwork for success. So, what's next? In Module 3, this is all about creation and productization. Now that you've completed the conceptualization phase, it's time to get real and move into the creation phase. In Module 3, we will focus on turning your course concept into a tangible product. This is where you'll actually start building your course content, structuring your lessons, and preparing for delivery. We'll cover important topics like how to structure your course content effectively, techniques for recording high-quality video lectures and screen recordings, using visual aids and tools to enhance learning, productization, which is all about packaging your course for success. We'll discuss platforms and more. So as we transition from planning to creation, get ready to roll up your sleeves. This is where the rubber meets the road, as they say, and your course takes shape. Once again, congratulations on all the progress that you've made so far, and I'm excited to see where this journey takes you. Let's dive into Module 3 and start building your first course. I'll see you on the other side.